is a simple wall decal installation, doing some simple frames on the wall. Got a couple up here. Just want to rub your decal, make sure it's sticking to your adhesive. You want to apply this to a smooth, clean wall. And with this, peel it off gently, make sure everything comes up. And then eyeball about where you want it. You can use a ruler, level, etc. if you want. And move it on. And then grab the adhesive, transfer tape, start peeling back at a 45-degree angle. Any place that's not coming away easily, you can just take your squeegee and rub it, get it to stick on there. Just be sure to keep an eye, make sure everything's coming away nicely.